Guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can edit your cover for the sale page. Okay, so first you need to get your Canva template and just click on that one. Make sure you already sign up for a Canva account. And now you will click on use template for new design. Okay, so you need to sign in. Okay, go to this upload button here and then go to upload files, and then you can choose a nice photo of you. You can also just drag your photo here like this. See, it's how it's done. Now click on the picture, then drag it. Okay, make sure you choose the right one. I can make it bigger like this. Drag it to the circle here, and you see it will automatically change to the new picture. And you can download this one by click on the share button here, okay, and click on download. Now you can go back to your funnel and go to the order form here, the promo Facebook group sale page, okay, and click on edit page. We need to replace my cover to your cover, and you can do that by click on this gear button. And you can see on the left side, you can click on this cross button here, and you can upload your picture by choosing this select file. Change the size of the cover by just scrolling down here. Make sure the first step is to click on the gear button, then just scroll down and you will see the image size. So you will see I am putting it at 518, okay, and you can make it bigger like this, or you can make it smaller like this. And remember, you can also go to the mobile version right here. You see, and just click on that one, the same process, the gear button, then scroll down, and I am putting it at maximum 520, and you can make it smaller like this or like this. Or if you want, you can just remove this cover photo by just click on this cross button here and it will be removed. If you want to remove it completely, you can click on this picture and you can click on, make sure it's the orange one, okay, and click on this remove button, the trash bin here. After that, you can hit save changes, and that's it. I hope that helps. If you want to learn more about digital marketing and System.io tutorials, just like my video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching, and this is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com.